Hi, Mark here. It is Thursday, September the 4th, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. That's 1:20 p.m. GMT. Well into the US session and going into the afternoon portion of the European session. Let's have a look how the US dollar is performing. You can see here on the index, I've got support at 97.65. I've got resistance at 97.96. US dollar certainly started strong, set up that resistance. But if you see there's a wick that's left behind, looks like a turnaround, possibly from dollar strength. Now there's being a bit of a sell-off. Sellers will look down to the support level. Let's just put in that hourly. There you can see up to 97.96, turning around right now, selling US dollar index, sellers looking down at the 97.65 support. Buyers, of course, will look to retest the 97.96 and look up at the 98 level. Let's have a look at the majors and see how they're performing. The Euro USD, still a red candlestick, but you can see I've got resistance 116.70. I've got support at 116.28. Was a full red candlestick when support was established. But there's the wickets left behind. That's the euro fighting back, buying euro, selling US. If I zoom in on the hourly, we should see that turnaround. There you can see right now, green candlestick, buying euro, selling US, buyers looking up at the 116.70 resistance, sellers looking to come below the 116.28 support area. Let's have a look at the pound. Pound US. Doji candlestick on the daily. Buyers tried higher, resistance 134.57. I've got support below at 134.15. If I zoom in on the hourly, sitting right in the middle of that range for now, not really any direction to work with. Buyers will be looking up at this resistance level above 134.57. Sellers selling pound, buying US dollar will be looking at the 134.15 support area. US dollar against the yen. Strong US dollar continuing. Don't see a fight back as yet from the yen. I've got support at 147.76, resistance at 148.53. There's the green candlestick. If I zoom in on that hourly, you can see buyers still very much in control of US dollars, testing for the second time this resistance in this hour and last hour, the 148.53. If there is going to be a turnaround from strong US dollar to weak US dollar and sellers can maintain, this could be the double top, a reversal sign, but we'll see how that plays out. Sellers will be looking below 148 and looking at support at 147.76. US dollar Canadian. Similar picture here, we see strong US dollar to start, support at 137.91. Buyers took it all the way up to 138.28, above the $1.38 level. But here's the wick that's been left behind going into the US session. That's selling US dollar, buying Canadian. On the hourly, there you can see it. Technically, I've got a after resistance was established, next red candlestick is a bearish engulfing candlestick, a strong reversal sign playing out right now. We're sitting at 138.09. Sellers will be looking to break below the 138, looking down at support at 137.91. So strong US dollar to start during the Asian European session. Now that the US session is underway, it looks like could be a possible turnaround and from dollar strength to dollar weakness, selling the US dollar. We've got resistance, we've got support levels to work with. I will see you at the end of day session. Good trading.